Right, we're looking at NPAT exam. NPAT is for students who are aiming to get into NMIMS after the 12th standard. So this is basically for students in 12th standard who are just giving the 12th standard exam. If they want to write the NPAT exam, this is the information which is there. So we do have courses for NPAT, which is a part of BBA course, IPM NPAT CET is set. And we also have IPMAT Indoor Crash Course. So if you're interested, you can join us. So what are the programs offered at NMIMS? So if you want to join BBA, BCom, the BS Finance is quite a well-known course as far as NMIMS is concerned. They also have FinTech course, which is quite unique. Students who are interested in economics, they have a specific economics course. Then branding and advertising, liberal arts, BBA Finance, BBIB. I mean, these are the courses that they have. So look at what course you want to look at, join, and then accordingly apply. So NMIMS is present in Mumbai, Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, Indore, Chandigarh. Mumbai is obviously considered best, but the other campuses also have good facilities. So if you're interested in doing your BBA from NMIMS or relevant courses, you can join them. Now, most of the courses require 12th standard mathematics except these four. So if you want to do BBA Branding and Advertising, BBA International Business, BA Liberal Arts, and BBA Management and Marketing, then you don't require maths in 12th. But almost all the other courses will require you having mathematics in 12th standard. So accordingly decide which course you want to apply and what you want to write. So you can write NPAT even if you don't have maths in 12th, but you can only apply for these four courses. Important dates, the exam dates from 28th Feb to 26th May. So this is a form date. The forms are available from 28th Feb to 26th May. The exam date is from 1st March to 31st May. That means you can write the exam 3 times. They will consider best of your 3 scores. Obviously, you have to pay for each exam. And you can go to the website npat.nmims.edu. The pattern of the exam, they have Con 40, Logic 40, Verbal 40 questions. Total 100 minutes paper. There is 1 mark for correct and no negative mark. So basically try to complete the paper. I mean, since there's no negative mark, it makes sense to solve all the questions in the examination, right? I hope this helps. We will come up with more videos. It will help you with regards to preparation. If you're interested, do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to write a mock test, you can go to our website or contact us and we'll guide you accordingly. Thank you.